Some people still think that without external heat, they cannot make their soap enter gel phase. Watch this video to the end and learn one or two things. These are my oils. I need PKO for this particular production. I need 800 grams of oil. This PKO, that is palm kernel oil. Then this is my castor oil. I need 50 grams. This is my coconut oil. I need 150 grams. This particular one is I need 20 ml of fragrance. The bucket here is for dissolving my lye. That is my dissolving my my caustic soda. That is my lye and the water. Dissolving my caustic soda in water. This is the caustic soda here. So I will measure the quantity I want according to our ingredients. Sorry, what I mean is according to our soap recipe. Safety first. Refer to our safety instructions, please. So I'm targeting my caustic soda quantity is 174.23. So I'm targeting 174.23 now, and our our weighing scale, water quantity and my caustic soda quantity. So for what I need before 350, that is because my water quantity is 348.47, so before 350. So this one is okay. So I've measured my water and my lye. I want to dissolve my lye in this water. Please first pour your water inside your bucket. Second, pour your lye inside your bucket and stir. Please don't pour lye inside first before water, but water first before the lye. Only make use of plastic or stainless equipment for your soap making. Please don't forget, and stir till it dissolves. Please be very, very careful with lye solution. So while my lye solution is cooling outside or anywhere you kept it safe, I want to measure my right oil quantities. This one, PK oil, I need 800 grams. This one, coconut oil, I need 150, and this one I need 50 grams. Then I might need this honey, a little bit of honey, like 1 teaspoon or 1 teaspoon or 1.5. It enables or adds to more lather in soap. Just a little bit of honey. So we decide to warm it so that it will be running. So any way you want, and I want to add it at trace. So we are still waiting for our lye to cool. While we wait, we need to arrange our mold, whether silicone mold or improvised mold, wooden molds, anyone you have or anyone you want. Make sure you arrange them very well, because as soon as your soap reaches trace, you might even forget the next thing to do. I've gone ahead to pour all my water, all my oils inside my mixing bucket. The oil PKO is inside here. Palm kernel is PKO, coconut oil and castor oil. So I've poured my oil, remaining to pour my lye solution to start mixing. So this is our lye solution, oil, and stir first before we stick blend. So while doing it at home, as you pour, stir it first before you stick blend. Then I want to stick blend now. Stick to reach trace, and you know this is hard oil to reach trace faster, so be fast, very fast. Stick blend very small. You do more of stirring, if not it will harden inside the bucket. It reaches trace faster. We have reached trace. Can you see? Next is to add our honey and our fragrance. Add your honey and your fragrance, stir to combine, and pour the soap batter inside your mold. The honey I just added now at trace will help the soap to enter gel phase. It contributes to helping the soap to enter gel phase. The soap we poured in the mold is right here insulating. I covered it with thick towel, as you can see. This is how our soap was. Can you see? Cream color. So I've brought out the soap. Can you see our soap really gel? And it's full gel, not even the partial gel. It have changed from this color. This was the color when I put them in the mold. Can you see? From this color to this color, the soap are gel. So why I'm showing this to you is, maybe when you are doing your own and you saw your soap like this in the gel phase, and you'll be thinking maybe this a wrong process that you followed, or you made a mistake. No, the soap that gel and soap that not gel will still come out fine. The final product will still be a very quality soap. It doesn't affect the quality. But had it been I added color to this soap, it will just affect the final color. This particular one that gel, the color will be very deep, while if you did not go into gel phase, the color might be lighter. If you prefer to suppress gel, that is, you don't want your soap to enter gel phase, what you have to do is to either switch on fan for the soap when you poured it in the mold, or you can put the soap inside fridge or freezer. Some people prefer the gel soap, so you can experiment with both and choose the one you like. It's just personal preference, nothing much. Again, while working with hard oils, be careful and be very fast, because your soap can trace faster. And the soft oil that I used, castor oil, is the only soft oil that facilitates a trace. So if you are not very fast, your soap will trace and start hardening in your bucket or your bowl. So be very fast while trying this or practicing this tutorial. Thank you.